and looked like we were in a recovery regarding home sales. However, in February, existing home sales in the United States were down 3.7%. And the question is there a direct correlation to home sales being down last month and the interest rate now going up?
I don't think that's the case, and the reason I say that is because it's only based on 1 month. I think if we continue to see the Fed raising interest rates, which ultimately trickles down into the mortgage rate market, then I think that we may be able to bring that correlation together. But rising interest rates over time are ultimately going to impact home sales, or certainly the pricing of home sales, because, King, it's about affordability. Interest rates, or rising interest rates, for example, are going to increase what monthly payments are. And when people are looking to purchase a house, whether it's a first house or a second house or so on, it's always about how much can I afford a month? And there's a formula to that, because there's different costs that go into what your monthly costs are going to be. Obviously, it's your mortgage payment, it's your real estate taxes, it's your utilities, it's your insurance costs. So all that gets grouped together. And if a person is saying, I can afford, for example, $3,000 a month and all my carrying costs related to my house, if interest rates go up, that is going to increase that monthly payment. So what we're left with in that is that the price of the house must come down to adjust to get to that affordability factor. So people may be stuck in the future holding on to their homes because they can't get the price they want, or perhaps not selling at all. Now, the other side of this, though, is if the economy picks up, you can overcome the interest rates rising. Why? Because presumably what happens is you could have people who have investments, the stock market stays strong or is rising, so the value of those investments go up. That will ultimately lead to having more money for a down payment, which, of course, would lower the monthly payment. So this really revolves around a formula. But I believe rising interest rates over time, not just isolated to 1 month, meaning just this past February, but over time are absolutely going to have an impact on home sales going into the future.